saw a headline in the New York Times and it was like, help! Help me, please. Help me get out of my leggings rut, because all I seem to ever wear, all I seem to have in my closet is leggings. I recently also met somebody, complimented my outfit. I was like, oh my God, that's so sweet, thank you. And I asked her, are you going to yoga? I was not trying to be catty at all. And she's like, no, this is just like, I'm in my yoga leggings rut. Listen, if that's you and you're cool with it, I'm cool with it too, because you look amazing, you're comfortable. Like, I'm not here to, like, I'm not the fashion police. But if that's you and you want to elevate your everyday style, baby, this is for you. Okay, I made this video for you. I have 3 simple tips that are going to elevate your everyday style and leave you both using the clothes in your closet, because we're not here for wastage, number one, and we're also not here for, like, you know, promoting weird ideas of like just go out and just buy new things. But we're also here for your best life. Like, we're also here for you dressing up for your life, as though, as Mary Oliver says, it's the most precious and beautiful and majestic manifestation of everythingness, right? If you're here for that, if you want some tips on how to level up your everyday style, this video is for you. I hope you're ready, because when it comes to style, I don't play. I do not play. Okay? Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to Love on Stage. I'm Magogodi. If you're ready to make sales and spark action when you speak, this is your place. I've helped dozens of leaders choose courage over comfort by speaking with confidence and love, especially in tough conversations. Because listen, public speaking isn't just a thing that you do on stage. It's what you do every time you deliver a work presentation, when you interview for that plump job you deserve, when you negotiate your salary, and every time you sweat bullets during a big pitch. That's all public speaking. It's time to level up your storytelling, because your story matters. So, you ready to speak like a boss? Let's get into your most powerful story. If you're serious about elevating your everyday style, one of the simplest and most beautiful ways that you can do it is swap out those everyday leggings that you're wearing, swap them out for a set. Now, listen, I understand why you want to live in your comfy leggings, because the way that stuff is designed, honey, they have technology behind this that is literally making your bottom into it's like you basically got your own personal couch wherever you walk, because you're so comfortable. So I want to keep that level of comfort for you. But what about if we put it in an elevated set? So it's a matching set like the one that I'm showing here on the screen, and it's also perfect because a set makes it easy for you to not think about, oh my God, what do I wear this with? How do I match it? This particular one is a set that I got from Zara. I absolutely love the volume on the sleeves, and I absolutely love that I look so put together if I'm traveling. I recently wore it when I was traveling, and like, I kid you not, so many compliments, but the one compliment that meant the most to me was this black woman who was working the flight. She was getting on a flight as I was coming off, and you should have seen her, okay? She was breaking code wearing shoes that were not part of the uniform, and I said to her, like, these shoes, I'm calling the CEO, because this is what the uniform should be. She just, you know when somebody just like is so well put together, even in a uniform, okay, that's a thing. So I really encourage you to think about a set like this one, and to think about sets as something that just makes getting dressed easy for you, and that makes being comfortable still at the center. You're a busy mom maybe like me, and you want to be able to run around, but you still want to be pulled together. Check out this look. Number 2, let's play with our sweatpants, okay? We don't have to wear our sweatpants only as though we just rolled out of bed and like they're our pajamas. That's fine and nice on the days when you're okay with looking like that in public. Personally, it's not my look, like, ever. I don't subscribe to that. Like you just will never catch me out in public wearing my PJs unless I am wearing like a very intentional set of PJs. That's just me, okay? That's who I am. But I do know what it means to own comfy sweatpants like these ones. These bad boys are from Target. And when I tell you I lived in these and I ate every single time I wore them, honey, these are the business. And they also are so much fun to play with. Like, you approach them just like you would any other regular pair of pants that you feel like are more dressy pants. So yes, full permission to wear these with heels, but look at how I styled these particular sweatpants. The way that I styled them has nothing to do with what you think of in your head when you think about sweatpants, right? You can do the same. Play with your sweatpants and think about them as super comfy pants. Now, you do have to pay attention to tailoring and the cut, but honestly, if you throw on a blazer with just about any sweatpants, that's it. Like, you've got an elevated look going on. And actually, you can even keep the sweaty, like the hood, the sweater that comes with it with the hoodie, put that on, put a blazer on top, nice baseball cap, and you're good to go. Now it's like this look that was very, you know, basic, you just elevated it, and that's what we're going for. Number 3, and number 3 is so yummy, it's so much fun, but I don't want it to become intimidating for you. So if style is something that you're like, I'm just dipping my toes, I don't want to feel overwhelmed, I want you to do just like the simplest version that still makes you feel like yourself and that still makes you feel like you're in play. What I want you to do is think about accessories and really have fun. I mean, like, look at these accessories, okay? I love jewelry, so I'm always gonna have like all the jewels. In matter of fact, honey, I don't know how that happened, but I wasn't wearing like all of my armor, and I love to come geared up, and I especially love to come geared up in gold. I want you to think about the same for yourself. Like, what are the accessory pieces? I love statement jewelry. As you can see, you do not have to wear the biggest, baddest. I clearly love statement jewelry. This makes me look like a rap genius. And I'm very proud to be a pseudo-rap genius. Who's also a mom, who's also a writer. And I want you to play with accessories. I want you to get into your jewelry game. If jewelry is something that appeals to you, you don't have to think about accessories only as jewelry though. You can also think of accessories as your nails. Look at these. I mean, like the levels. A lot of us are into at least some kind of basic manicure. What's the manicure that makes you feel the most alive? Because that's part of your look, okay? Rock that. Think about hats. What's a hat? Maybe you went to a specific university and you have a very strong relationship towards it. Rock the hat that goes with that. Shoes, definitely part of your accessory game. Belts, definitely part of your accessory game. But I also want you to think outside of the box. Your hair is definitely an accessory. I love colored hair so much. If you go through some of my old posts on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I have purple hair, I've gone through pink hair, all of it. And all that is part of the whole outfit and how it comes together. And sometimes, honestly, when you have your hair done, your nails done, put on some cute little shoes, something super comfortable, that's all the accessories that you need, okay? Walk out the door and you look like hot young money. Style is about play. Style is about feeling yourself, okay? You know that song, feel myself, I'm feeling I'm not exactly, I'm a rap genius, but I'm not exactly a singer. That song is the poster child for what style and true elevated anything that is stylish is about. You wear whatever the fuck you feel like wearing and you make it yours and you have fun and you enjoy it and you're in a state of play. If you can remember that when you're getting dressed, I promise you, no matter what you're putting on, whether it's for the stage or off the stage, you are in an elevated field, and girl, nothing can touch you. Okay? All right. Keep slaying out in these streets and let me know in comments. What is it that gets you excited about style? Let me know in comments. Was that useful? You want to go even deeper? I'd love to support you. My coaching program can help you make money and spark action whenever you speak with intention. Book time to chat using the link in the description box below. Also, leave a comment if this video offered something you needed to hear today, or if you have a question you want me to unpack in next week's episode. Fresh episodes drop every Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern. Hit subscribe to get a notification so you never miss a beat. Thank you so much for being here. I want you to know that your story matters. And I'm here to help you stand out from the stage to the page.